everyone, my name is Mackenzie Johnson and I am a senior at Downers Grove South and have been quarantined for the last 5 weeks of my senior year. Unfortunately, this pandemic has canceled a lot of the events that I've been looking forward to, such as my trip to Disney, my trip to Germany, and possibly prom and graduation. Although this is a difficult time for everyone, I have tried to find the happiness in all of it, and this is my COVID-19 experience. So welcome. Every day I get up at 8:45 just to keep a normal schedule, and although it's quite different than the classroom, it gets the job done and I'm able to keep learning in this e-learning environment. Aside from being a student, I'm also a musician, so it is nice that I get to kind of escape to my room and practice my flute to get up off the couch or the counter, or just simply sitting at a desk where I'm working all day. Another thing that I've found to kind of take up time throughout the day is working out or staying active in some way. I enjoy running, biking, or using the TRX bands that I have in my house, or simply just doing a workout through the TV, because I am very competitive and strong as an athlete, and so not having my normal time with my athletics can be difficult, but I've created many goals throughout this time to keep myself moving and stay positive in my mental health. Normally towards the end of the day, I like to go on a walk with my family or do something with my family because I'm super close to them, so we normally just like to spend time together. And recently my dad has created a movie room in our basement, which is super cool, and we've been able to experience movie theater quality just in our own home, which is super awesome to experience. This experience, I feel that many people have taken up some new hobbies, and for me, that is baking. I've enjoyed baking banana bread, cupcakes, cakes, and I also enjoy baking these protein muffins, so as we're working out, we can stay strong as well. As much as I enjoy this time at home, my family is blessed to have a cottage up in Michigan, so I have traveled up there many times, and mostly on the weekends with my cousins because they are practically my siblings. We've grown up as siblings basically, and my cousin and I have taken the time to go on different hikes and adventures throughout the woods up there, because if we can't interact with people, why not interact with nature? Today we are going on a hike up Mount Baldy. Got my fellow hiker here, and we're at an outlook where you can look over Lake Michigan. Something about quarantine is the adventure, and it took us 4 trails to get here. However, we made it to Oslo Lake. Yay! So that pretty much sums up my COVID-19 experience. I have had a lot of fun just kind of reflecting with my family and myself, and I hope that all of you guys are doing well out there. It's a very difficult time for all of us to go through. There are many things that we can focus on that may be negative. However, I think it's important to focus on the positives in this, and that we all kind of realize the things that we need to be grateful for in the long run. And if we continue to focus on the positives, we'll all make it through. So remember to stay safe, keep washing your hands, and have a great day. Bye.